In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up OneNote on Windows 10. If you want to keep a safe copy of your notes, projects, or important reference material, creating a backup in OneNote is a smart habit. This is especially useful if you want an offline copy, if you're moving to another device, or if you simply want extra peace of mind. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to export your notebook as a backup file directly from the desktop version of OneNote. To begin, open the OneNote app on your Windows 10 desktop and go to the page inside the notebook you want to back up. It doesn't matter which page you open as long as you're inside the correct notebook. This just helps you confirm that you're working in the right place before exporting anything. Once you're in OneNote, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This will open the main menu where OneNote gives you access to account settings, sharing options, and export tools. From the menu on the left side, choose Export. This is the section used when you want to create a copy of your content in a specific file type. Since we're making a backup, this is the option you'll need. Next, under the export options, choose Notebook. This is important because you want to back up the entire notebook, not just a single page or section. Selecting Notebook ensures that all of the content stored in that notebook is included in the backup. After that, go to the Select Format area and choose OneNote Package. This format is designed specifically for OneNote and is one of the best choices for a full backup because it packages the notebook into a single file that's easy to save and move if needed. Now click Export. OneNote will then prompt you to choose where you want to save the backup file. Pick a location that's easy to remember, such as your Documents folder, desktop, or an external drive if you want an additional layer of protection. Once you've selected the destination, click Save. OneNote will create the backup file and store it in the location you chose. Depending on the size of your notebook, this may take a few moments. And that's it. Your OneNote notebook is now backed up on Windows 10. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to repeat this process regularly if your notebook changes often so your backup stays current.